straight lines and curved lines. Hello John, what happened? What are you thinking about?
I am not able to understand about straight lines and curved lines.
No problem, let me help you. Take a small piece of thread and hold its two ends. If you hold it tightly, you will get a straight line. If you hold the thread loose, you will get a curved line. Do you know, John? Shapes are made with the help of straight lines or curved lines. A rectangle is made up of 4 straight lines. A square is made up of 4 straight lines and all the sides are equal. A triangle is made up of 3 straight lines. A circle is made up of curved line. I hope now you understood about straight lines and curved lines.
Yes, Lily, thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.